Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Facebook account. Just go ahead and open up your Facebook app. Now, once you're in here, tap on the three horizontal lines, which is right here at the top right or at the bottom right if you're using iOS. Tap on it. Now in here, just go ahead and scroll down a bit until you find settings and privacy. Tap on it. Now just go ahead over to settings. All right, tap. Now in this page, you're going to want to locate Meta Account Center. Yours might be different. You'll be able to find your Meta Account Center right here at the very bottom. All right, just go ahead and tap on it and this page will open. What we're going to do in here is just find personal details under account settings. Tap on it. Now tap on accounts ownership and control. Tap on it. Now in here, you're going to want to find deactivation or deletion. Just go ahead and tap on it and this page will load. Just go ahead and tap on the Facebook profile. Tap on it. As you can see here, you have two options, deactivate or delete. But as the title suggests, I'm going to delete the account. Then I'm going to hit on continue. And in here, it will ask why you wanted to leave. Just go ahead and select the reason why you want to. For example, I'm going to tap it right here and I'm going to hit on continue. And again, there will be a prompt. Just go ahead and hit on continue. Now, before you delete, there'll be a message. If you want to, you can just deactivate it or save your post in your archive and then download your information. Or you can go ahead and transfer a copy of your information. All right. If you don't want those stuffs, just go ahead and hit on continue. Now it will ask you for a password. I'm just going to go ahead and type in my password right here. And I'm going to hit on continue. Now, if you have a Instagram tied to that particular Facebook account, you can go ahead and create a password for the Instagram account for that. If not, just hit on not now and simply hit on delete account. And as you can see here, it is loading. And that's basically how you delete a Facebook account. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.